This is my high-low poutine. Over low heat, this is a great hack. Demi-glace in little containers. You can get it in a jar as well.
We're the same.
Concentrated bone flavor. It's delicious. If you want to go cheap and cheerful, you can use regular chicken broth, or if you want to go vegetarian, use vegetable broth and just thicken it up with some flour. So we put some of that into a pot, plop some water in, and that's going to come apart pretty quickly because the pot is already nice and hot.
Demi-glace, the flavor is so
I know.
rich.
Once this is all incorporated, we want a little bit of acidity. Apple cider vinegar. Throw that right in.
Nice.
A nice little bay leaf, because I throw bay leaves into literally anything.
I love fresh bay.
Right?
Yeah. Laurel, oh, God.
This is kind of pretty much done. What we're going to do now...
Just let it reduce a little bit. Like
let it
here.
reduce, which we have right over here. Mix it up just to get a bit of that film over the top. A dab of cold butter. This is going to make it really nice and silky. So I'm just going to whisk that up.
I would go swimming in there.
Right? It smells so good. And then some green peppercorns.
Oh, delightful.
Love that little crunch.
Delightful.
We don't need powdered pepper here. That's like my buy whole peppercorns, crush them yourself. It makes a huge difference.
Love that.
I think it's $1 more for like the self-cracking thing. It's super worth it. Perfect. So this is basically ready. And then I'm going to grab... So, love a French fry, love a sweet potato fry, love any root vegetable fry, but I love tater tots, and why they're so perfect in this is that they absorb so much of that demi-glace. Oh my gosh, the rack just comes out automatically when you open the door.
Isn't that fun? It kind of slides.
That's so chic.
Yeah.
All right.
It just kind of slides.
Yeah, let's give a round of applause for the oven. Yeah.
I like you.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead
There's tongs, there's a spat, whatever you need.
Oh, here's a little hack that I shared on Easy Bake. If you burn your fingers when you're touching something hot, literally like I just did, my father taught me this, he's a physician, I think it's a fact. The coldest part of your body is your earlobe, and if you touch your earlobe, it kind of cools it off, because there's like less capillaries and veins and everything else in your body.
Awesome.
I love how everyone's doing it. Because I'm always burning myself.
Oh, me too.
Yeah.
Everything I got's calloused.
Whether it's a mandolin or...
Yep.
Okay, so we're gonna do one nice little layer there. Bump, ba, bump, ba, bump. And then we're gonna go ahead.
Just the smell of tots in the air.
Right. Cheese curds,
Cheese curds!
aka squeaky cheese. They sell these on the counter at room temp in gas stations in Quebec, and I used to always grab a bag. They're so good.
Oh, cheese curds. People in America know cheese curds too.
Yeah. It's a
Wisconsin is a huge cheese curd eating, loving people.
Totally.
Upstate New York too, we're no slouches when it comes to the curd.
And you can fry cheese curds too.
You
Toss them in some hot sauce, a bit of Frank's Red Hot. Not an endorsement, just love it.
Oh my God, I love Frank's Red Hot too.
Yep.
We need to partay.
I know. Well, we're about to. Okay, and then I'm gonna just add another tiny little layer, because it's like nachos. You want to have layers of this stuff. You're gonna put a little more cheese, because why not?
Why not?
And then a little bit more of the gravy. I'm just gonna dump it on.
Just
We're not
dump
wasting
it.
any here.
Why are you gonna waste it?
So nice.
You gotta use all of it.
Chives. Nice little pop of green. Get it all over the counter.
No, it's my kitchen. They're used to it.
Okay. That's literally it. I need to get the cheese too.